Let's talk about foods that won't break your fast. Fasting is popular for its potential health benefits, including weight loss and improved metabolic health. But what foods can you consume without breaking a fast? Let's explore some options and understand how they interact with the body. The answer to whether you can have specific foods or drinks during your fast depends on your fasting goals. Let's explore what you can consume without interrupting your fast. Your fasting goals are paramount. Knowing whether you're fasting for autophagy, gut rest, or weight loss metabolic health will guide your dietary choices during fasting periods. For those focusing on autophagy or gut rest, the rule is strict: no caloric intake. This means sticking to unflavored water and unsweetened herbal tea. Coffee, even without additives, is off the menu. If your goal is weight loss or metabolic health, you have a bit more flexibility. This fast allows certain non-insulinogenic substances, meaning small amounts of calories and mostly fat-based foods, won't disrupt your metabolic objectives. Now let's talk about the foods and beverages that won't break your fast, primarily if your goal revolves around weight loss and metabolic health. Firstly, fats and oils like butter, olive oil, or MCT oil won't break your fast if consumed in moderation. They can actually facilitate fat burning without spiking insulin. Bone broth is an ideal companion to fasting due to its minimal impact on insulin levels and its array of health benefits. Unlike solid foods or sweetened beverages, bone broth is low in calories and carbohydrates, allowing it to be consumed during fasting without disrupting the fasting state. Rich in nutrients like collagen, gelatin, amino acids, vitamins, and minerals, bone broth supports gut health, joint function, skin elasticity, and immune function. Additionally, its electrolyte content helps prevent dehydration and supports proper nerve and muscle function. Overall, bone broth promotes satiety, enhances fat metabolism, and provides essential nourishment, making it a fasting-friendly option with significant health benefits. Herbs and spices are generally acceptable in small amounts. However, be wary of those that can raise insulin levels, such as black pepper and ginger. Water, in all its forms, be it mineral, sparkling, or filtered tap, is essential and fast-friendly. It keeps you hydrated and can suppress appetite, but avoid any added sugars or flavors. Tea, especially green tea, is a great choice that won't break your fast. It's rich in polyphenols and can even support autophagy, but remember to skip the sweeteners. Coffee is another safe option. If black coffee is too bitter, feel free to add a dash of dietary fat like coconut oil. Avoid sugar and dairy or non-dairy creamers. Apple cider vinegar can be beneficial at the end of your fast, helping to moderate glucose spikes. Just ensure it's diluted to protect your teeth. Lemon juice, used sparingly, won't derail your weight loss or metabolic health fast due to its low glycemic index. Beyond foods and beverages, other non-food items like caffeine, minerals, and certain supplements won't break your fast, given they're consumed in moderation and without added sugars or sweeteners. Pure minerals and electrolytes without sugar won't break your fast and can be helpful. Fasting can lower these levels, making you feel tired or dizzy. Consider adding sodium, magnesium, and potassium to prevent this. You can use table salt, salt blends, or flavored electrolyte supplements with few calories. Natural or artificial sweeteners can break your fast by triggering your taste buds. Natural non-caloric sweeteners like stevia or monk fruit are fine during fasting for weight loss. Creatine has no calories and doesn't affect insulin, so it's okay during fasting. It might work better when taken with food, so consider waiting until you break your fast. Probiotics are low in calories and good for gut health but are better taken with food. Prebiotics in some supplements have calories, so take them during your eating window. Most vitamin pills are calorie-free and fasting-friendly, but may be better absorbed with food. Pill-form medications like pain relievers won't break your fast. Gummies, syrups, and drinks usually contain sugar that can interfere with fasting. Your fasting goals determine what you can consume during fasting. For weight loss and metabolic health, a few calories may be acceptable if they don't spike blood glucose and insulin. If you aim to rest your gut or activate autophagy processes, be stricter about what you consume. Remember, the key to successful fasting is understanding your goals and how different foods and drinks impact those objectives. Stay informed and make your fasting journey a success. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to Remedy Seeker for more health tips. We'll see you in the next video.